Hi Scorpio, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of July is going to be for you. I'm making videos in advance because I want to complete give you the full videos like I used to. So this month I'm trying that I'm able to give every sign the complete video. Rest is all dependent upon the universe. For Scorpio, the way I see this month of July for you is a month which has great capacity for a new journey. It has a lot of resources for you. It has a lot of growth for you, ample growth for you. The only thing, and happy times with the family. The only thing that you will require to do is one, look for opportunity in everything, because you're going to come out of all the chains, all the limitations. But at the same time, you will have to choose as to what you are going to take ahead, what you are going to move ahead with. Second, there is going to be opportunity in blessing in every disguise. So you will have to look at everything as a blessing. Third, balancing is going to be very, very important. And as Scorpions, you know how to play with your mind, how to use your mind. But at the same time, if you use that in a negative sense, it is going to give you the negative results. So watching your energy or taking care of your energy and mostly being in positive energy is going to be very important for you. If we talk about your health, I don't see much as a problem with your health. I would want you to take care of one. There shouldn't be any addiction. So when I'm talking about addiction, not really I'm talking about like alcohol or those things. I'm talking about anything that you're addicted to that you don't have control over. So if you're eating too much, if you're sleeping too much, if you are thinking too much, negative thoughts and all of that, that's addiction, and you have an opportunity this month to break those chains. So ensure that this month you break those chains of addictions. Don't go for any addictions. Second, because I'm seeing a lot of cups, take care of your water intake. That's going to be important. Third, I would request you to take care of your energy. So grounding is going to be very important, because the more you are grounded, the more balance you have, the better the health is going to be for you. Last but not the least, take care of your posture. Otherwise, I think there is going to be enough movement and enough rest, so there is going to be overall a balance. If I talk about your money situation, money aspect, there is Queen of Pentacles, there is 10 of Pentacles, there is Magician, there is Empress. So I feel that there is nothing that you should be worried about money situation. The money is going to flow into your life. Yes, budgeting is going to be important. Also, in the beginning of the month, you might feel that there is a certain loss. You might feel that you were expecting some kind of money, some kind of growth that didn't happen, but don't go on by the face value of it. Know that there is definitely, whatever is ending, whatever it has not given you growth, it is because there is something better waiting for you. And if you see this card, there are 3 cups that are broken. This person is completely focused on these 3 cups because he wanted to probably take the water from this river from these 3 cups, but behind him there are 2 cups and they are full. So that is why there are going to be opportunities, blessings in disguise, and you have to be looking at the opportunities. Whatever is there, whatever is kind of gone, don't focus on that, and just move forward with what is useful to you. That's going to be very important. If you see this card, there is this person who's walking out with the dog. There are many cups here in this box, but he's taking only 1 cup with him, and that's how he's starting his new journey. So he's letting go or leaving all that is not needed, useless things or that are not needed on the journey behind, and he's actually moving towards a new path. And if you see here, he's out of that door and he's walking, but the door is still open, and you will have the choice this month either to go back, move back to your past and repent the things or think about the losses, or you have an opportunity where you take what you need, how you want to move forward, and that's going to give you ample growth in terms of money or otherwise also. If I talk about your relationships, I feel there is a happy home this month. So I see a lot of happiness, family coming together, people coming together, celebrating. So there is a happy home this month. Beginning of the month might be a little problematic, because it feels that if there was a relationship that was not working out, if there was a relationship which you were feeling chained with, you were feeling that it is problematic, you might just leave that relationship and move out, or you might just let go of the negative emotions that were associated with a particular relationship, and you move forward. That's a possibility that can happen, but overall I feel new relationships can come into your life. and they're going to be nurturing. I feel that there is more balance that is coming into your life. I feel there is happy home, so time with family is going to be there. Another thing is there could be some money or some things flowing from inheritance to you. So if you keep yourself balanced, if you keep your energies balanced, don't expect too much and don't live too much in the past, keep your communications balanced and positive, then it is overall good time for relationships. If I talk about pregnancy, there is definitely a very huge chance of pregnancy, like almost like a sure pregnancy, because there is Empress, there is Queen of Pentacles, so and then there is 10 of Pentacles also, which has like a pregnant lady standing. So overall I see very strong chances of pregnancy in this month. So if you try, there is very strong chances of this month. Maybe in the beginning of month you might feel that things are not happening, it's not working out, but by the end of the month you will see a different chapter altogether. So just be careful in the beginning of the month. If you see some symptoms, some signs which make you feel like that pregnancy has not happened, still don't leave the precautions, still take care of yourself, because it might be that ultimately it happens. Okay, so it might be like the like false signs, or it might be something that that looks like it has not happened, but end of it it might be there. So just be careful, don't become careless that it has not happened and you pop up a medicine or something that you shouldn't be eating. So just take care of that much. For marriage, there is a possibility of marriage, but that's like towards the mid of the month or end of the month. Beginning might be little emotional or emotionally feeling like a emotional loss, but then as the month flows, you're going to see much beautiful times. You will see everything changing like a magic in your life. If we talk about your job or your career, I see that in the beginning there might be that you might have to leave a certain job, you might have to stop doing a certain business, end a certain business. There might be something that will feel like a loss on the face of it, but that is going to lead to new opportunities. So if there is anything that you feel is not working out, don't give up, don't become negative, let go of what is not working out. You might be banging your head on the wrong wall, and the moment you stop doing that and you turn around, you will see 2 cups full. So that is why it is very important that you take care of your energies, you keep your energies balanced, and there are going to be opportunities, there are going to be magical opportunities, ample opportunities that will come your way. There is going to be ample growth that is going to come your way. The only thing is that time is ticking, and you have to remember that you will have to take the leap of faith by keeping yourself balanced, because if you see in this balance card also, there is a rainbow, and rainbow is a sign of hope. So have hope, move forward, and be in your energy. That is going to be very important. For business also, I feel there is a possibility where you get some kind of money gain by after the 10th of the month, and you might just get some kind of investments also if you were waiting for it, and the business will also give you the growth towards the end of the month. So overall, for a job, there is a travel that is also possible, but with travel, if it is travel by just be careful whenever you travel, take precautions. If it is travel by air, if you can avoid it, avoid it. If you cannot avoid it, then just take all the precautions that you need to take. Overall, it's a good month. The only thing is that until like the 8th or the 9th of the month, you might not feel it is as a good month, but from the 10th you will see the energy of the month changing big way. If I talk about students, I feel that there might be that you were waiting to get some results, or you were waiting to get enrolled into some kind of course, or you were waiting something to open, something to happen, and that might not happen in the same way. But don't get disheartened, because there is something better that is waiting for you, and the magic is going to appear by the 10th, after the 10th of the month. If I talk about your soul growth, for your soul growth, there is a card of balance, and balance is a card where you actually balance your energies. So this month, please watch your energies very carefully, balance your energies. This card says blending the ideas of others with your own to create something extraordinary, successful compromise, a power of diversity, self-control, patience and balance. So this month, practice balance, practice patience, and watch your energies very carefully. That's going to help you with your soul growth as well. If I talk about number of the month, I'm going to give you two numbers. One is number 3, another is number 1. If I talk about chakra of the month, I would say if you can do all chakra meditation, just a 7-minute meditation, it will work amazingly well for you. The link is in the description box. If you can't do that, do the grounding and do the base chakra meditation. This is going to be important. Color of the month, red color is going to be good for you. Otherwise, you can actually go ahead and have some greens around you also, because I see a lot of greenery. Another thing that I want to tell you is that in case you're taking some kind of allopathy medicines and all of that and it's not working out for you, spend some time in nature and go for something that is Ayurvedic or more natural, and you might just start seeing a relief in your health if there is any issue. Though take the advice of the doctor, because I'm not the doctor. I can see it in the cards and I can just tell you from there. For the mental exercise of the month, there is a card of yin energy. Yin energy is your feminine energy. It's the energy of your thoughts, it's the energy of your inner self, and there is a card of empress as well. So there's a very strong feminine energy on your cards, and so basically this says that balance your inner self, praise yourself, love yourself, nurture yourself, because that's going to give you better results in the coming time. And like I said, there is a magic after the 10th of the month, and it will all depend upon how do you take it. Do you keep focusing on the cups which are broken and keep standing here, or do you turn around and see these cups full? If you turn around and see these cups full, you're going to go on to the new journey. The animal energy of the month is the manta ray, and this card says monitor your energy, and that's why I said overall everything is about energy on this month. This month where every blessing is going to be in disguise, at least in the beginning of the month. And if you are actually able to recognize that blessing, and if you actually keep your energies positive, you will be able to recognize that blessing, and that's going to help you move forward big time. Due to COVID, we are losing our loved ones. Everybody is losing somebody. So this month I took out cards from the spirit messages, and the message from the spirit for you is hello from the heaven. It says your loved ones in the spirit world want to connect with you as much as you want to connect with them. They know you have been thinking of them, and they are sending you signs and symbols, like a feather, like a butterfly, like a dragonfly, like some flowers or something different that you see than regular, to show you how much they love you and to prove that they are with you at this time. So your loved ones, your anybody who you have lost, that soul, that energy is definitely with you. It is around you, and you need to know that they love you as much as you love them, and just see for the signs and the symbols. It can be number that is repeated, so look for the signs and symbols. I'm going to take out one live card for you guys, and before I do that, if you like the video, please share it with everyone. Subscribe the channel if you can, and share it with other people. Press the like button. And there are a lot of videos on my channel about positivity, about tarot learning, about soul growth, about even COVID and the world order, new world order and everything. And they can give you some insights on how you can let go of the fear and how to move forward. So when you get time, watch them, and if you find them useful, please share them with others as well. So let's see what is okay. Even before I could say it, the cards have turned. And like I said, your energy, this month energy is amazing for you. So I see 6 of Cups. There is a card of your journey, moving forward to your journey. So there is a possibility where you kind of completely move away from your past, but at the same time you kind of revisit your past and then choose what you need to take with you, and you move ahead with that. There is, in the second half of the month, there is a magician. So there is magic that is going to happen. Your energies are going to bring in big things and big changes. And then there is King of Swords. So somebody who is completely into his energy, who has the wisdom, who has the eagle eye, who has all the abilities, and who knows how to move forward. So this is a big sign that definitely something is big time changing, and you will also hear from your loved ones. So in the soul world as well, there is a crow there. So that's a symbol of the souls connecting with you, or ancestors connecting with you. So overall, the energy of the card is really good, and I feel that you can actually do a lot in this month, especially the second half of the month. I wanted to tell you that these cards that I'm using are the Angel Wisdom cards. These are the Angel Wisdom cards. They are the Wisdom cards. I don't remember the name, but I totally love this tarot deck. It's a Wisdom of the Oracle. So Wisdom of the Oracle cards. This is Animal Whisper Empower empowerment. Okay, animal whisper empowerment cards, and these are spirit messages. So a lot of people ask the cards that I'm using, that's why I said that. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I need my reading, I'll share my number, we'll take it forward. And if you like the video, please share it, subscribe the channel, and press the like button. I will see you with the next month prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.